What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to be opening up not one, but two Shining Fate tins. Still searching for that shiny Charzard. Still searching for that. This is the last of my Shining Fates. The rest I have is battle styles. I've been getting buying a lot of battle styles lately. So let's hope I get the shiny Charzard. Here we have is hold on. Here's a code card. Oh man, this is weird. Okay, whew, I didn't want to bend it. Okay, here is shiny Eldegoss V. Look at that. Here is the code card. I have my sleeves ready. If I can open this. Oh my god. There we go. I like to organize it by set. As you can see, these are the Shining Fates sleeves. Here we go. And here we have, and each tin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. And we can just toss plastic, toss the tin, because I don't need it. Well, not right now. All right, let's get started. As you can see, shiny charzard. That's what we're looking for. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, guys, we can get double hits. Let's go. Fighting Energy, Gym Trainer, Thwacky, Cramorant, Morpeko, Cottonea, Horsey, Cuffent, Choodle in the reverse, Galarian, Weezing reverse in the rare, Professor's Research. Alright. That's just the first pack. No problem. If I can open this. Alright, there you go. There's code card. Boom, gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Fire Energy, Rusted Sword, Luxio, Thwacky, Coughing, Trapinch, Rowlet, Choodle, Morpeko. Hey! And an amazing rare Kyogre. All right. We got one, boys and girls. An amazing rare. Just to remind y'all, for people that know much about Pokemon, an amazing rare is a new rare that they did for a previous set. And it is texturized. So the energy right here and then the card around it is all texturized. It looks really dope. Really cool card. Centering is good. Might grade this. I don't know if it's worth grading. It might be worth grading, but we got an amazing rare. We got something. And then the rare was a Drudal non-hollow. Alright, let's go. Can we get that shiny Charizard? Shiny Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Alright. Sidekick, Tropius, Cramorant, Rusted Sword, Morpeko, Nickit, Eevee, Glossy, I don't know, Choodle. The reverse is a Horsey, and the rare holographic Luxray. Alright. Speaking of Luxray from Diamond and Pearl, are y'all excited for the remakes of Diamond and Pearl? I'm looking forward to it. I'm definitely going to get both games so that way I can get the starters. I would definitely be going to pick Turtwig. That was my pick for the start. Let me know in a comment which starter you're going to pick for Diamond and Pearl. Gem Trainer, Floatzel, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, Buzzle, Shinx, Rotom Reverse, and the rare Volcanion, non-hollow. 2 packs left from this 10. Here we go. Can we get a shiny Charzard? Code card. Gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get it. Water Energy. Eldeos. Luxio. Ballguy. Coughing. Morpeko. Horsey. Spinnerack. Rowlet. And the reverse. It was a reverse Rusted Sword. And the rare Zardu. Non-hollow. Cool. Alright. Can we get last 10 pack magic? Still have another 10 to open, but can we get some last 10 pack magic? Code card. Here you go. Boom, boom, boom. Gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, I kind of put that right there. Okay. Energy. Dratix. Alexio. Team Yell Towel. Spinnerack. Cuffent. Gloss. Another Gloss. Okay. Yanmega. Reverse. And the rare. The Revel Hollow. I got like 4 of these already. This is like my 4th one, I think. Yeah. Dang. Anybody want to buy a Hollow Throvel? $1. $1. Okay. That was it for that 10. Here we have is the Cramorant V. As you can see, it has a shiny. You get this. Try not to damage the card. Okay. Now. Okay. Cramorant V. I'll show that code card in a bit. Now I need to sleeve this. Alright. Cramorant V. Shiny Cramorant V. There you go. And then the code card. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. Still trying to get shiny Charizard. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs as it should. Nothing else. Get rid of this. Don't need this plastic. Goodbye 10. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Shiny Charizard, please. Thwacky. Cramorant, as you can see, the regular Cramorant. Original color is blue, shiny is orange. Gloss. Coughing, Catnip, another gloss, hey, and a shiny Chinchino. And we have one more card. We got a double hit today, and a Cramorant V. All right, awesome. Sleeve that up. So we have a Cramorant V and a shiny Cramorant V. Awesome. And then we also have the shiny Chinchino. Now, to tell that it's shiny, on the cards they'll have like this little glare or sparkle right here. That's how you're able to tell. See? Right here. So let me sleeve this Chinchino. All right. Okay, next pack. Was that the first pack? Oh yeah, that was the first pack. All right, cool. Shiny Charzard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Thwackey, Floatzel, Trapeze, Cuffit, Buzzle, Spinnerack, Shinx, Coughing, Eevee Reverse, and the rare, another Volcanion, non-hollow. Alright. Are all the code cards gonna be white? So far, it's all been white code cards. Usually they'll mix it with green and white code cards. I find that's pretty weird. Okay, Cramorant, Rusted Sword, Gym Trainer, Morpeko, Cottony. Okay, I see something kind of sticking out. Cuffint. Oh my goodness, a shiny Ditto V. And the rare Celebi. Oh my gosh, we got a shiny Ditto. That's a card that that's one of the cards that we want. A shiny Ditto. Look at him. The original color, to let y'all know, is like a pink color, and its shiny is blue, which is my favorite color. Shiny Ditto. Oh, centering is hella off. As y'all can see, very close to this side. Oh man, no point in. Yeah, there's no point in getting this graded. You know, I'll take that out later. I'll put it in a binder. Dang, that was bad centering. But hey, we still got the shiny Ditto. One of the cards that we want to pull. Now the other cards that I would want to pull is shiny Corviknight, and a shiny Charizard. And then I'm still trying to get the Dragonpult box. There's a Dragonpult box that has 2 shiny versions of it, and I have not been able to get it. And then now, due to Walmart and Target new policy of not selling cards at their stores. See, another Threevil. Oh my gosh. Another Threevil holographic. Dang. Anyways, still trying to get that Dragonpult box, but dang. Wow, I gotta count how many Threevil hollows I got now. Okay. Second to last pack. Can we get the shiny Charizard? Ball Guy, Tropius, Cheetle, Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, Snom, Manphy reverse, and the rare Zarade. Zarudy, whatever. Hey! The last pack has the shiny Charizard. This might be a sign. Oh my goodness. Please. Please give me a shiny Charizard. Please. Please. Go card. Did y'all see it? I can't. Okay, there we go. Poof. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Electric Energy, Floatzel, Thwacky, Rotom, Butzel, Shinx, Coughing, Trapinch, Rowlet, Yanma reverse, and the rare Yan Mega non-hollow. Dang. Alright, no problem. Well, we did get some hits today. As we can see, we have 2 3-volt hollows. Probably have 5 now. And a Luxray hollow. And then we have a shiny Ditto V. Cramorant V. Chinchino. Shiny Chinchino. Shiny Cramorant V. Kyogre, amazing rare. And Eldegoss V. So nothing too crazy besides the shiny Ditto would be the best card. My personal opinion of today's video. Well, next week I will be opening up a Zacian Elite Trainer box. Shout out to my Pokemon plug. He sent me this and I had to get it. He sent me another from the previous video of the other version, which is a shield Pokemon. So this one's the sword, the other one is the shield. And I'm really excited about this one. This is a really awesome box. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye.